Today I'm excited to announce the official launch of my Patreon page, patreon.com/Whisson. If you click on the link above, it'll take you to one of our 2 tiers. The supporter tier starts at $5 a month and includes our monthly Patreon exclusive podcast, Bold and Brash, where we go in depth on subjects we wouldn't cover on the YouTube channel, as well as read and respond to your comments. The other perk of this tier is access to our back catalogue of unlisted YouTube videos that we can no longer host on this channel. The artist tier is for those of you who'd love to watch more in-depth tutorials. You get everything the supporter tier offers, plus a full feature-length painting tutorial every month, plus a shorter 30-minute tutorial, both completely exclusive to Patreon for $20 US. So we hope you join us, and thank you for watching.